Draw learning. Today we are going to draw a toast with a fried egg, while we learn Spanish. We draw a fried egg. Under the egg, we draw a delicious toast that in Spanish is said, TOSTADA. Is a delicious breakfast. Breakfast in Spanish is DESAYUNO. Very good! We draw a pretty smiling face. Face in Spanish is CARA. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say egg in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. We paint the bread in this color. Bread in Spanish is pan. Fantastic! Come on guys, it's looking very good. We paint the edge of the bread a little darker. So, we use the brown. That is said, MARRON. We are almost finished. Egg yolk is yellow, so let's go with the yellow color. That in Spanish is said, AMARILLO. Let's see if you know the answer. Egg in Spanish is HUEVO. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing!